Welcome back everyone. It's a chilly winter's morning in the Mallee. We're in Lascelles and we're going to go and have a look at Lake Lascelles. But first, have a look at that beautiful silo. We made it to Lake Lascelles. Strangely enough, the lake is about 25 kilometres from Lascelles on the edge of Hopetoun. Let's have a wander around, have a squeeze. There's a nice jetty over here. The boat ramp here is the ideal starting point for the lake's many popular water activities like water skiing, kayaking and fishing. The lake is also well stocked with fingerlings and it's stocked regularly, so unless you have the fishing ability that I've got, you're bound to catch something. Boat ramp, really good nick as well. The lake is only about half a k from the Hopetoun township. There's powered camping sites that you can pay a couple of bucks for, or there's free camp areas. Both options you'll have all the facilities you would expect like toilets, showers and barbecue areas. Some filleting tables, blokes out there in their kayaks. Beautiful. Picnic area with some free barbecues, and yep, she's a free one, and they're as clean as a whistle too. How good's that? Beautiful grassed area for picnics and stuff. I'm told there's some redfin in this lake, so that'd be pretty cool. Toilet block over here to the right. Some free campers over the other side of the lake, so you can free camp here. Don't know what this is up here, but we'll go and have a look. Looks like it's a function room of some description. Again, with barbecues out the front, so I'm guessing that's for hire. If I can find out some information on this, I'll put it in the description, but what a ripper little function area. So after a little bit of Googling, that's called the Mallee Bush Retreat. So it caters up to about 40 people for family gatherings, weddings, functions, all that sort of gear. Great little spot. Well, this was just a last minute idea to do this video. I was driving past, so we stopped and had a bit of a squiz. But I've got to say, it's a very peaceful little place. But if you like this video, check this one out here. But as they say, be good, stay safe, and bye for now.